Welcome, language learners from all around the globe, to Listen Up, the podcast that takes you on a captivating voyage through the English language. Whether you're just starting your journey or have been navigating the intricacies of English for some time, this podcast is designed to be your trusty compass, guiding you towards fluency and unlocking the wonders of English. I'm your host, Karen, a passionate traveller and an experienced teacher of English as a second language. Join me as we embark on an exciting expedition filled with all aspects of English life, read by a native British speaker. Together we'll conquer the challenges and celebrate the victories of learning English as a foreign language. Each episode of Listen Up will immerse you in a variety of topics, from aspects of British culture, history, and literature. We'll explore useful vocabulary that will empower you to communicate confidently in English. If you want to read along with the podcast, head to my website, onepawinthesand.com/ESL. The link is in the description. But this podcast isn't just about learning English in isolation. It's also about building a community of language learners, supporting one another, and fostering a love for the English language. I encourage you to engage with us through my Patreon page, where you can connect with fellow learners, ask questions, share your own language journey, and as a reward for being so amazing, you will get exclusive content each month. So whether you're sipping tea in Tokyo, walking the streets of Sao Paulo, or studying in a bustling cafe in Berlin, Listen Up is here to accompany you on your quest for English fluency. Join me as we embark on this transformative expedition, where language becomes an adventure and your dreams of effective communication become a reality. Get comfortable and let the learning begin. Today's episode is called Fusion Cuisine. Fusion cuisine is a thrilling adventure where flavors, ingredients, and techniques from different culinary traditions unite harmoniously. This culinary phenomenon transcends borders, creating dishes that are not just meals but vibrant expressions of cultural exchange and creativity. Fusion cuisine is where chefs work with flavors from various cultures, seamlessly merging ingredients and cooking styles to create something entirely new and exciting. It's the culinary equivalent of a cultural melting pot, where diversity is celebrated and innovation knows no bounds. The origins of fusion cuisine can be traced back to centuries-old trade routes, where merchants and travelers exchanged goods, spices, and culinary techniques across continents. However, it wasn't until the late 20th century that fusion cuisine emerged as a distinct culinary trend, gaining popularity in cosmopolitan cities around the globe. One of the most fascinating aspects of fusion cuisine is its ability to blend seamlessly disparate ingredients into harmonious dishes that tantalize the taste buds. Whether it's Japanese sushi burritos, Indian-inspired tacos, or Korean barbecue pizza, fusion cuisine knows how to surprise and delight diners with unexpected flavor combinations. At its core, fusion cuisine is about respecting the traditions and ingredients of different cultures, while fearlessly experimenting with new flavors and techniques. It's a celebration of diversity and an invitation to explore the culinary landscape without boundaries. Now let's dive into a mouth-watering recipe that perfectly embodies the spirit of fusion cuisine: Thai Basil Chicken Tacos. This dish combines the bold flavors of Thai cuisine with the familiar comfort of Mexican tacos, resulting in a culinary masterpiece that will leave you craving more. Here are the ingredients: 1 pound of boneless, skinless chicken thighs, thinly sliced, 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce, 2 cloves of garlic, 1 tablespoon of fresh ginger, 1 red bell pepper, 1 onion, 1 cup of fresh Thai basil leaves, 8 small flour tortillas, lime wedges for serving, and sriracha sauce. Here's how we make it. In a bowl, combine the soy sauce, oyster sauce, minced garlic, and grated ginger. Add the sliced chicken thighs to the marinade. Ensure they are all well coated and let marinate for at least 30 minutes. Heat a tablespoon of oil in a large skillet over a medium-high heat. Add the marinated chicken and cook until browned and cooked through, about 5 to 6 minutes. Add the sliced bell peppers and onion to the skillet and cook until softened, about another 3 to 4 minutes. Remove the skillet from the heat and stir in the fresh Thai basil leaves until wilted. Warm the flour tortillas in a dry skillet or microwave until soft and pliable. To assemble the tacos, spoon the Thai basil chicken mixture onto each tortilla, squeeze a lime wedge over the filling, and drizzle with sriracha sauce if desired. Serve the Thai basil chicken tacos immediately, garnished with additional fresh Thai basil leaves and lime wedges on the side. Fusion cuisine is a celebration of culinary diversity, creativity, and the universal language of food. It invites us to explore new flavors, embrace cultural exchange, and embark on culinary adventures that transcend borders. So the next time you're in the kitchen, dare to experiment with fusion cuisine and let your taste buds be your guide to a world of endless culinary possibilities. Have a go at the recipe and let me know in the comments how you did. As we wrap up another exciting episode of Listen Up, I'm thrilled to offer my dedicated listeners an exclusive opportunity to take their language skills to new heights. Unlock the door to fluency with private lessons with me, tailored just for you. As a token of my appreciation, I'm giving a special 25% off voucher to all my fantastic listeners. Embrace the joy of learning, immerse yourself in a personalized language journey, and watch as your confidence soars. Don't miss out on this limited time offer to make language learning an even more rewarding adventure. Use code PODCAST24 at the checkout and let the linguistic exploration begin. Thank you for joining me on this incredible language learning voyage. Your success is my inspiration.